Hey guys, welcome back, and welcome if you are new. I've got a short grocery haul for you guys this week, so let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with the meat first. So if you don't want to see this, you can just skip past this. I've got some chicken thighs here for some recipes. I've also got some chicken breasts. Both of these are boneless and skinless. I've got some chicken wings. My daughter wanted some of those for a dinner coming up. And then I've got a 3-pack of burger meat or ground beef back there. Okay, I've got some Kraft singles. I give these to the dogs for snacks sometimes, like a treat, for sandwiches and things like that. Grilled cheeses. I've got some more feta cheese, some more Parmesan cheese. I've got a brown gravy packet just to replace what I've used up. I've got some fettuccine noodles. Back here, I've got some of this pasta salad. This is just the classic kind. And then I've got some hamburger helper for a quick meal. I've got some ranch dressing. I've got some avocado oil back there. I've got some of these real bacon pieces. We just use these for all kinds of things, salads or whatever else we want it for. I got some potatoes. I've got some of this psyllium fiber. I've got a bag of cold peeled garlic. I'm going to do a put these in a little pot, fill it up with some olive oil, and then roast these to make like a garlic oil. Then you can use the garlic for whatever you want. Put it on toast or add it to recipes or whatever. Got some more of these tomatoes. Got some garlic powder. And I wanted to try this. I've seen this in the store, so I wanted to try this. This is just the tomato and basil pasta sauce. I've got some more flour for my sourdough. Some almond milk. I've got 2 cans of refried beans for an upcoming recipe. I've got some more crushed tomatoes just to replace what I've used. I've got some, let's see, what is this? Chili with beans. I'm going to be making a Frito bake for my husband when he gets home, so that is what this is for. I've also got some enchilada sauce. Back here I've got some Perrier mineral water. They didn't have the Pellegrino, so I just picked this up. Got some avocados and some blueberries. I love giving these to the dogs as treats, as well as having these for breakfast or snacks or whatever. I like the avocados on toast. Sometimes I'll have it on toast with an egg and some salad greens. It's really good. I've got some more lemons. I've got some peaches. Got some limes back here somewhere. There they are. Got some limes. I've got yellow squash and some zucchini. I've got 2 bags of corn chips for that Frito bake. And then my daughter wanted some of these cheddar sour cream chips, so I got some of those for her. I picked up some more French fries because we are almost out, and some pizza rolls because teenagers. So that is that. And for non-food items, I just picked this container up for my psyllium fiber to put that in, so that's going to go in here. So yeah. And that is going to do it for this grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this one a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.